What's up, you guys? We are starting over. We are done with that. Made a new project, so the old project takes over a gigabyte in memory to run, but I've been running the new demo this entire time. Well, it's not even a demo, it's just the new project. And this is the new project. This new project is mouse and keyboard. You can resize this window. You can fucking exit the game. That's great. I don't need a controller to close the game. I don't need a controller to play this game at all, which is amazing. There's nothing in there. All of the scripts, we've redone everything from scratch. And if you want to get a look at some of the scripts here. So the main game has 300 or so scripts, and we're running this using only 23. So the meat and potatoes, the bones of this game, it's like one prefab. Let me just show you what's going on in here. So it is now you can control it with your mouse, so you can aim. We have a gun here, so it's basically the same. Right, it's pretty much more or less the same game. It's kind of a mix. We've got ammunition counters up here on the top left. We can zoom in and zoom out with the mouse wheel. But in addition to all of that jazz, this game is online. Now, it would appear that I am controlling my other character's thing, but the only thing, it's detecting your mouse input. Obviously, if you're playing this game, you wouldn't be playing all of it, and yeah, some UI rescaling issues here. But that's okay. Everything is updating over the network. So this guy's health, it's already updated. So health values are updating over the network. This is a game you'll be able to host your own servers like Minecraft or Terraria. Shoot each other. Really need like a hide UI option. Alright, let me shoot this guy. So health values are updating over the server. Bro, where's your hitbox? My bro is dead, he's respawning. I don't necessarily need both of them to receive this respan wing. I just realized that. So he respawned, he's over there now. And then the vehicle functionality. So still have my gun, have my laser. The enemies can't see your lasers, so they can't. That's great. We can get inside the vehicle. Gun still aims. You can hide it though using left alt. And positions, I haven't programmed a way to get out of the vehicle, which is actually kind of annoying. As you can see, position, rotation, updating over the server. Both the vehicles and the players are using server authoritative movement. So if I maybe like run the windows like this, so you can see. No, yeah, I done had it. We'll zoom this guy out. Alright, so you can see everything's running real smooth. We have rotation, rotate left, right, and we have strafing. We have strafing, and there's like a slow acceleration. There's acceleration as well, which is it's a little bit different from regular future weapons. So you start real slow, and then the acceleration will gradually increase. So basically, all of the fundamentals for the game are it's all in place. You just have to keep coding, add actual weapons, add the port and starboard, forward, aft functionality so that all the vehicles. Oh my god, his reverse is so slow, it doesn't reverse at all. No, reverse might be broken, but Anyways, everything's server authoritative. It's all working great. The vehicles aren't going boom, not yet. We'll adjust some things around here, like resizable UIs. Definitely gonna do all stuff like that. So it's gonna be great. But this is what I've been working on, is converting Future Weapon from a not a 2D to 3D game, but from an offline split screen controller only to, hey, you can use your mouse and keyboard now. It's not gonna be that bad. And it's online. You can host your own servers. You'll need to do like port forwarding until I find a way to automatically forward ports, but that's okay. You guys are smart. You can figure it out. But that's it for this update, and yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe for more content, and for more updates on this game and what we're gonna do from here. All right, bye-bye.